there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect LinkedIn to n8n, so please listen carefully to each step and detail that I will be explaining to you, and this will help you automate LinkedIn actions like posting updates or sending messages. So first, you have to make sure that you're already logged into your n8n account so that you will be able to proceed to the next steps and that you already have your plan so that you will be able to access its features and its full version of the website. And then once you are logged in, you will create a new workflow, and then you will add the LinkedIn node from the nodes panel, and then you will create credentials using LinkedIn API key or OAuth token, and then you will test the connection by fetching your profile or posting a test update, and then you will configure actions like send message, post update, or retrieve connections. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check your under your nodes, and then you will click LinkedIn, and then you will click connect via OAuth. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.